to know which countries your competitors are targeting and how they localize their app metadata for each market? Then let me show you how to use Geo Checker, a tool in ASOMobile. This helps you find high potential regions, improve keyword relevance, and avoid localization mistakes that cost installs. Geo Checker gives you a global view of your ASO performance. See how your app's metadata looks in each country. Analyze localized titles, subtitles, and descriptions across different regions. Discover new markets for expansion. Spot weak points in your localization that may be hurting your growth. Geo Checker is located in the Market section of the ASOMobile platform. Once you open the tool, you'll see a detailed table that shows in which countries the app is available. You'll also find key information like the app's title, short description, and full description for each country, exactly as they appear in the app stores. But that's not all. Geo Checker also lets you see the app's availability status and its rating across different countries. This helps you analyze how the app performs in each region, wherever it's localized properly, and where there might be gaps or opportunities for improvement. It's a great way to track localization quality and overall ASO performance globally. It helps you see which keywords your competitors use in each country, compare their metadata and ranking side by side, and understand how localization affects search visibility. All of this is available in one place, which is especially useful when creating or updating your own metadata. You can also add competitor apps to compare them side by side. Just click on the competitors button and select the app you are interested in from the list of competitors, if you have created it before. Or simply type the name of the app in the field and add it to your list of competitors. That's what we are doing now. Next, select the competitors you are interested in from the Select Competitors drop-down. And now you can instantly compare their app metadata across different countries. You'll see how they localize their titles, subtitles, and description, which keyword they focus on in each region, and how their strategy differs from yours. It's a great way to get inspiration, spot missed opportunities, and straighten your own ASO for international markets. If you want to see in which countries the app is available, just switch to the map view. It gives you a quick and clear picture of global availability. Need more details about how the app is doing in a specific country? Click the chart icon. It will take you straight to the ASO dashboard for that country, where you can check organic visibility and other insights. You can even download the full metadata table by country for deeper analysis and sharing with your team. So, to sum it up, Geo Checker helps you discover where your app and your competitors are available. Analyze how metadata is adapted by country, and make smarter decisions when planning your localization strategy. Don't forget, you can try ASOMobile dashboard free for 3 days, and with promo code ASOGEO you can get 30% off any plan. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, like it, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. We share lots of useful content about ASO and mobile app growth.